Welcome back to the feathered family. Today I'm going to show you what we did to keep our flightless bird busy and her mind engaged.
Oh, where you going? Hi, you want to come step up? You want to step up? Good girls. Good girls, turn. There you go. Good girls. Yeah. Good girls.
Lou has some pretty bad feather destruction on her front side that we've been trying to correct, and one thing that can help is keeping their minds distracted, keeping them busy, and making sure they're getting enough enrichment. She does not fly, and there's only so much she can do on a play stand, so we decided to build her this 4x4 square using a couple sheets of wood and a piece of vinyl flooring. Bird Dad took the 2 long pieces of wood and cut them in half to make 4 pieces, put some hinges on the corner so that they will fold up for easy storage. We put some hooks on each of the ends and use a rubber band to secure them together. Lou really likes her wood hanging toys in her cage and she will absolutely demolish those, but much to our surprise, she actually likes chewing up cardboard a lot more. It really works out in both of our favors because she likes destroying it and it makes it a lot easier for us to get rid of it. As you can see, it was really simple to set up. I rolled out the piece of vinyl, unfolded the 2 wooden pieces, connected them with rubber bands on the end, and now I'm filling it with a paper bag and a couple pieces of cardboard. The black shadow following me around is Zoe. She is the supervisor doing all of her necessary safety checks. The last thing I grab is Lude's food and water. She doesn't typically eat during the day, but I always want to make sure that it is available for her. And finally, it is time to go get the little gremlin. As you can see, she goes right for that cardboard and just goes to town. We found out that she really likes to go into bags and hide under boxes, so now we make her little caves to tunnel through. Cleanup time, and Louie did not want to get on her T-post, so I went in with the glove instead. Like all animals, birds have their mood swings, and Lou doesn't particularly always like me 24/7. As you can see, she kind of went for the glove for a second, and that is exactly why I was wearing the glove. With Lou being a 40-year-old rescue that we only got 6 months ago, we don't know a ton about her past. We did figure out that Lou does like men more than women, so we're always gonna have our moments, but she does let me scratch her head from time to time. I do work with Lou every day, and I understand she may never 100% become comfortable with me, and that's okay. Birds have their own feelings, their own emotions, just like we do. As you can see, breakdown is pretty easy. I start with taking the wooden boards back up front, then I go ahead and get rid of the food and water bowls. The intact pieces of cardboard will go back up front for next time, and then I'll go ahead and give it a good sweep. Birds can get bored really fast, and that is why it is so important to make sure they have the proper enrichment, the proper toys, and something to keep their mind busy. When they don't have something to keep them busy, that is when they become prone to feather plucking, and that is very dangerous to their health. There are many other factors that can lead to feather destruction, such as stress, mites, and not having the proper vitamins and nutrients. As always, if you are concerned about your bird's health, be sure to contact the vet. Lou basically comes out here every single day, almost all day, and honestly, she absolutely loves it. The second she gets in there, she's just a hooting and hollering and going right for that cardboard. When we first got Lou, I had a curtain dividing the bird room so that the little birds could still have their free fly time because Lou's cage bars are just big enough for the parakeets to slip in. And of course, that is very dangerous. Ever since we got this set up, it has been amazing because she comes out in the living room and all the little birds get the entire room for free fly. Now that it is all packed up, Zoe girl wanted some attention, so I sat down there with her for a little bit. Thank you all very much for watching and following along as always. If you want to see more content, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you liked today's video, which I hope you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you build something like this, be sure to let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.